How to download YouTube Studio on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download YouTube Studio on Android. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and just click on search and just search in for YouTube Studio. So once you search in for YouTube Studio, just ignore the first one, which is a sponsored post. So just tap on this YouTube Studio application. Its logo is like this, and just tap on this install button over here, and based on your internet connection, it will automatically download and install YouTube Studio application on your Android device. So inside this application, you can basically view all of your insights such as overview, reach, or engagement of your how your video is performing throughout the world, to your audience, how the audience are reacting to your videos and things like that, and how you can monetize easily, or what are the criteria for it. You can view everything over here. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.